On this episode, we're adding coolant to an empty system. Well, except for maybe the heater core. There's an air bleeder right here on top of the radiator. You gotta crack that to let the air come out when you fill. It's an 8mm Allen. Allen key fits in there. There's also a there's also a washer in there. If you take it all the way out, you might lose the washer, so double check. Now, we won't be able to completely do it because I can't turn the car on because the fuel pump is kaput, and I'm waiting for the new one. Should be here tomorrow. But after that, we can do it. But there's no reason why we can't fill it up today. So I picked this thing up off of Amazon. Let's not call it a no spill. Let's call it a less spill. But it's got a valve in here. So you're going to lose this much. Every car is a little different. Every little thing is a little different. But this one has a rubber O-ring on the inside. It might not leak too much, but you know, we'll try. So the first thing going in is an additive. There's water wetter. There's all sorts of things. Whatever your poison, your additive of choice is. The book says 12.2 quarts, or I think it's like 11 liters. So basically 3 gallons. This is just regular 50-50 mix from the Walmart. $7 a gallon. And then this is concentrated. Sometimes you got to mess with that little valve. Well, yeah, stopper thing. So that was 1 quart. That's 2 quarts. And then this is distilled water. So I'm getting drips out of the front. It's close. So that's 3.5 gallons so far, plus the additive. It stopped. Be able to check some hoses here. Got a little bit more air out of there. Just don't like the way that sounds. A little bit of water there. A little bit of water there. Okay. Crank on those for a minute. I think we're below the thing, or we're at least right on it. Yeah. Not bad. Okay, so I can confirm that that is definitely no spill. Coolant level is just below the rim. I could probably get a little bit more right there. Let's try it. Where's the thing? Over here. I hit the overflow a little bit, but that's okay too. I'll cut it in when it's time, but what's next is we fire it up, warm it up, wait for the fans to come on, and then we shut it off, check our level, and then add coolant. I think we got a pretty good system fill. I got 1, 2, 3, so almost 4 gallons in there. We are running the Vick Autosports Texas heat radiator. It is slightly larger than the stock radiator. It's wider than the stock radiator. Did it add a gallon of coolant? Looks like almost. It's probably going to take more, so it'll probably be up to 4 gallons or more when we're finished. We'll continue with this process when the car starts up. Take a break.